Video 3 of Part 3 of the EA Tax Training free EA Exam Prep course for 2025. Tom here, back with you to discuss specific areas of representation before the IRS. In video 2, we talked about representation in general. In this video, we'll talk about specific types of issues you might be engaged to assist with. Specifically, what we will look at in this video are the collection process, penalty and interest abatement, examinations, otherwise known as audits, and then finally, appeals. Our free resources from irs.gov, the first two you are already familiar with, Circular 230 and Publication 947. We've got a couple of forms also for this one, the 433 series of forms. Those are the collection information statements along with their instructions. And then Form 843 along with its instructions. I recommend all of those. So let's start by talking about the collection process. First, what are the different methods you can use to pay your taxes? Well, you can do direct pay from your bank account. You can use a debit or credit card or digital wallet. You can create an online account with the IRS, and there you can pay and see your payment history. Businesses usually use the EFTPS, the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System. You will want to know what that means for the exam. You can pay by wire transfer, check or money order through the mail, electronic funds withdrawal when you're e-filing your return. You can pay cash either through certain retail partners throughout the United States up to $1,000 and at certain IRS taxpayer assistance centers. So those are your payment options. What about your refund options? Well, for your refunds, you can receive it either by direct deposit, and you can split that into as many as 3 different accounts. You can receive a paper check in the mail. You can get a prepaid debit card. So sometimes you have clients who do not have a bank account. So a prepaid debit card can be a good alternative for them. The IRS is using some mobile payment apps, and I think they'll be doing more of that in the future. You can apply the refund to next year's estimated taxes, and you can split the refund between getting an actual refund and using part of it for estimated payments for the next year. One change for 2024 is you can no longer use your refund to purchase U.S. savings bonds, so you will want to remember that for the exam. That is new for 2024. What if you owe money and you don't have that money to pay? First thing is, file the return anyway. The failure to file penalties are greater